Welcome. If you've ever struggled with spam comments cluttering your WordPress site, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a fast and foolproof way to clean up your comment section and keep your site looking professional. First, open your browser and head to WordPress. Once the homepage loads, click the login button in the upper right corner. You'll see a few options, including the convenient Continue with Google. Select the account you use to manage your site and log in. Once you're in, the WordPress dashboard will appear. This is your control center. Next, navigate to the comments section in your dashboard menu. Here, you'll see every comment on your site, approved, pending, or marked as spam. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option that says check for spam and click it. WordPress will automatically scan your comments, identifying repetitive content, suspicious links, or any other spam indicators. Once the process runs, your comment section will be cleaner, and you'll notice a big improvement in organization and professionalism. WordPress also makes it easy to revisit this area anytime, so you can monitor and manage new comments without hassle. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that genuine interactions shine while spam stays out of reach. With just a few clicks, your WordPress site becomes a safer, more user-friendly space for your audience. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep your website running smoothly and spam-free.